AI is transforming financial services, with 99% of institutions now using it to boost efficiency and customer experience. The cloud's role is shifting from infrastructure to real business value. Maxim Afanasyev from Google Cloud joins us to talk about this. So, Maxim, let's go down to the details. What trends are shaping cloud and AI adoption in financial services today?
Today, financial institutions are moving to the cloud for innovations, to transforming themselves. It is not anymore a purely IT infrastructure discussion. It is all about how to solve their business problems using something which goes beyond just the technology. In our case, an opportunity with the data and AI plus the whole Alphabet Group ecosystem to solve their business goals in a completely new way. So the way how it transforms today, it's at the bottom, it is still the infrastructure. Then it is data and AI tools, and on top of it, most important piece of the pyramid is repeatable production-ready solutions and AI agents to the FSI business goals.
Just for better understanding on this, can you give examples of AI agents making an impact in banking specifically?
So one of the solutions which with the Google Cloud offer, which we call brand protection or risk, when we work with the financial institution, applying Gemini in our case to understand how their website, for instance, looks like, and then when we as a Google or Google search indexing the web, if we find any similar website to the website of that financial institution, we do inform that the financial institution that there is potentially a fake website which might exist on the web. And if the financial institution confirms to us that it is indeed a fake website, then we are messaging majority of the browsers, whether it's Chrome, which is used by 80+% of the people globally, or browsers such as Safari, Mozilla, Firefox, which are in the partnership. So 98% of the browsers globally to block access to that fake website of the bank through the system called safe browsing. And this becomes a game changer in how the banks are able to stop phishing attacks on their customers.
How about for insurance? Is there any difference?
Let's say someone is returning from vacations and injured their leg, comes to the doctor and confirms that he or she has insurance, then doctor actually doesn't have an incentive to cure that person, but rather to treat that person, to offering different types of tests, visits to affiliated doctors, etc., etc. Research, both academic and public, shows that up to 30% of all the treatments which are done to the people are actually unnecessary or excessive, or maybe even harmful for the health. And this is where GenAI and AI agents become extremely powerful to identify those overservicing and notify insurers or engage through the collaborative chatbots with the clinics to ask for the clarifications why this treatment for, let's say, Maxim, who is 20 years old, for instance, has been offered when it is typical for more people who are after 80 years old. And understanding maybe there was a specific situation or it is indeed on overservicing and how to react on this. So, and we can see a video of how it works at a number of the clients today.
But despite AI being powerful, just as you've mentioned, some institutions are not yet 100% confident when it comes to adopting it. With that, what's your top advice for them?
Don't wait. Do start the journey. That's number one. The second message is that this journey should start with the business lens. So if it is driven purely by IT, that it is very hard for the business to adopt those solutions. So it's the business who needs to be the driver of adoption of AI. And number three is there are always experts here on the market who are able here to help you to implement it with the compliance with the government regulations, with the best practices on the market. Please always reach out, and happy to support you.
Thank you so much for joining us today and for sharing your insights, Maxim.
Thank you.
Once again, that was Maxim Afanasyev, Financial Services Industry Lead, Strategic Industries at Google Cloud. For more news, visit asianbankingandfinance.net.